The compact drone market is heating up, and DJI continues to lead the charge with its commitment to innovative, user-friendly aerial technology. Recently, the DJI NEO captured the spotlight as an entry-level drone designed for beginners and casual users. On the horizon, the rumored DJI Flip promises to bring new possibilities to the same space, offering a potentially richer feature set for a slightly advanced audience. With the NEO already making waves and speculation swirling around the Flip, let's explore how these two drones compare in key areas like design, performance, imaging, and target audiences. Portability remains a cornerstone of DJI's approach to consumer drones, and the NEO exemplifies this ethos with its ultra-lightweight design. Weighing just 135 grams, 4.76 ounces, the NEO comfortably falls under the 250-gram threshold required for drone registration in many regions. Its compact dimensions, sturdy propeller guards, and robust construction strike a balance between safety and practicality, making it a top pick for users new to drone flying. The DJI Flip, while not officially unveiled, seems poised to follow a similar trajectory. Early reports hint at a slightly larger form factor due to its higher capacity 3,110 mAh battery. However, its design philosophy appears consistent with DJI's focus on user-friendly, portable drones. Both models prioritize durability, ease of transport, and safety, ensuring they remain accessible to entry-level and casual users alike. Flight capabilities often define the user experience, and here, the NEO and Flip begin to diverge. The DJI NEO is tailored for simplicity and versatility, offering 3 standard flight modes: Cine, Normal, and Sport. In Cine mode, the NEO prioritizes smooth, controlled motion, ideal for capturing cinematic footage, while Sport mode allows speeds up to 17.89 miles per hour with the RCN3 controller. Advanced users pairing the NEO with the DJI FPV Remote Controller 3 can unlock manual mode, boosting the drone's speed to an impressive 35.79 miles per hour. The DJI Flip, on the other hand, seems geared towards slightly more ambitious users. While specifics remain speculative, leaked details suggest it may introduce advanced flight modes and controls aimed at creative freedom. Enhanced maneuverability and additional autonomous capabilities could position the Flip as a step up from the NEO, catering to those eager to explore more dynamic aerial perspectives. A drone's imaging capabilities can make or break its appeal, and the DJI NEO delivers a solid foundation for beginners. Equipped with a 12-megapixel half-inch sensor, it records 4K video at 30 frames per second and Full HD at up to 60 frames per second. While its single-axis gimbal offers basic mechanical stabilization, additional electronic stabilization ensures smooth footage. For still photography, the NEO's options are straightforward, producing JPEG images in 4:3 or 16:9 aspect ratios. The DJI Flip, by contrast, seems ready to raise the bar. Rumors suggest it could adopt advanced imaging technology, potentially featuring a higher resolution sensor and wider dynamic range. Borrowing features from DJI's more premium models, such as 4K HDR video or an ultra-wide field of view, the Flip could redefine what's possible in compact drones. If these predictions hold true, it might appeal to content creators seeking higher quality footage without stepping into professional-grade equipment. Battery performance is a critical factor for drone enthusiasts, influencing flight duration and overall utility. The DJI NEO features a 1,435 mAh battery, enabling up to 18 minutes of flight time on a full charge. This is adequate for brief sessions of aerial exploration or casual photography. The DJI Flip, however, is expected to offer a significant boost in this department, with a larger 3,110 mAh battery. Early estimates suggest a flight time of 20 minutes or more, giving users more flexibility for extended filming or exploration. This incremental improvement, while modest, could be a deciding factor for those looking for a bit more endurance in their aerial adventures. Ease of control is paramount, especially for beginners. The DJI NEO excels in this area by offering multiple options. Users can fly it directly without an app, connect via the DJI Fly app, or use physical controllers such as the RCN3 or FPV Remote Controller 3. Additional features like voice commands and palm takeoff landing further enhance its accessibility, making it ideal for novice pilots. The DJI Flip, while still under wraps, seems to prioritize traditional control methods. Speculation suggests that it may skip immersive FPV features in favor of a more standard controller setup, blending accessibility with creative functionality. By striking this balance, the Flip could cater to hobbyists seeking a straightforward but slightly more capable flying experience. Pricing often determines a drone's appeal, and the DJI NEO shines as an affordable entry point. With a base price of $199 per £169 per 299 Australian dollars, it's an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers. The Fly More bundle, which includes extra accessories, offers added value for those who want an extended flying experience. The DJI Flip, though not officially priced, is expected to occupy a mid-range position. Its rumored features suggest it could bridge the gap between beginner-friendly models like the NEO and more advanced drones such as the DJI Avata 2. If priced competitively, it might appeal to a broader audience, including semi-professional creators and tech-savvy hobbyists. The DJI NEO is explicitly designed for beginners and casual users. Its intuitive controls, compact design, and affordable price make it an ideal choice for those just dipping their toes into the world of drones. The DJI Flip, on the other hand, seems tailored for users looking to advance their skills. With potentially enhanced imaging capabilities, longer flight times, and more versatile controls, it might attract semi-professionals and enthusiasts eager for a more feature-rich experience without the steep learning curve of FPV drones. The DJI NEO and DJI Flip embody DJI's mission to make drone technology more accessible and enjoyable. While the NEO excels as a beginner-friendly option with its lightweight design and straightforward functionality, the Flip seems poised to offer a more versatile and creative experience for users ready to take their skills to the next level. Choosing between these two drones ultimately depends on your needs. For those new to drones or on a budget, the NEO offers incredible value and ease of use. Meanwhile, users seeking enhanced capabilities and more creative freedom might find the Flip to be the perfect fit. As the drone community eagerly awaits the official launch of the DJI Flip, one thing is clear: DJI remains at the forefront of innovation, ensuring that there's a drone for everyone, whether you're taking your first flight or capturing the world from new heights.